In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can download Instagram Reels to your gallery. You can simply download high-quality videos from Instagram to your phone photos in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the profile page, select any video reel you wish to download to your gallery. Let's say this reel right here. Tap on the DM icon. On this page, slide rightwards and tap on the download icon. Your reel will get downloaded successfully to your phone gallery. That's how easy it is to download video reels from Instagram to your phone gallery. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.